Safety feels different in today's world.
Safe schools are important for students to be able to learn.
Ensuring that our students walk into this building, that our teachers and our staff walk into this building, and that concern doesn't hit them when they cross the threshold.
Should there be an incident of someone getting into the school who is not meant to be in here, who may intend harm, someone who has the capability, hits that lockdown button. And with that hitting of that button, it will release, say, doors in the middle of the school to close and lock. And those doors would provide an impairment for that person to advance throughout the school. It would also give a notification to everyone in the school that we are in a lockdown, whether that's a silent notification or an audio notification. And a notification would go out to the police department, and they would then send appropriate personnel to the school.
When there is a detection of a breach, to be able to compartmentalize and lock down a building. And when you do that, you delay or deny somebody access to the targets in the building.
We would look at the ability to section off the parts of the building that aren't necessary to be used for after-school activities and have those be locked off so that you wouldn't have to monitor, someone wandering through the entirety of the school with the intent to possibly do harm.
If there's athletic events down in the gymnasium or the field house, you could open up that side of the building and secure the rest of the building, limiting your exposure, and do the same thing for musical performances and plays down in the theater area.
I want our students and our families to trust that safety is a priority and that the measures available today exist in this building to protect everybody.